Hey, what's going on? Zach Crawford here, and in this video, I'm going to talk about why you will fail with affiliate marketing in 2018, so stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's jump in. So why most people fail with affiliate marketing and they're not able to scale up their commissions and their income is because they're playing the short game. Honestly, they're building a very short-term business that is what I call an income stream. We'll talk about that later. And what they're doing is they're basically building a business that is like drop shipping or Shopify. Now, I don't have any problem with that business model, but both affiliate marketers and drop shippers operate their business very foolishly, in my opinion. What they do is they send massive amounts of traffic to the offer, and the whole point is to get them affiliate commissions, right? And this is just not smart. You know, what worked several years ago and what even worked last year just doesn't work like it once did. I can tell you personally, what worked for me 5 years ago doesn't work at all anymore, and what even worked a couple years ago isn't quite as effective as it once was. Look, I'm not telling you all this stuff so you'll quit and give up, or if you haven't even started affiliate marketing so you get scared and never even start. But what I want to do is share with you a few tips that will help you stay on top of the game and continue or start making huge profits. Over the last several years with affiliate marketing, I've made over $1,000 plus per day in pure profit. And what I'm going to do is bring up on the screen right now and show you, just last month, I made $36,000 in one program. And I want to show you this so you know I'm not full of it. Now, you're going to be able to see my email. Now, please don't go spamming me. This is my personal email. My father's name, which is my business partner. In that email, you'll get to see the notification where I got a new commission. And at the bottom of the email, you'll be able to see total commissions I'm owed for the month. You know, believe it or not, it's not really anything impressive to do $1,000 plus per day. Like, anybody could do this. Honestly, I've had $5,000 days, $10,000 days, and there's guys that even out there that trump my income, literally making 20, 30, 50,000 plus a day. I know this probably sounds like, psh, you know, if you've never seen this, but with affiliate marketing, it's a massive industry. So I'm sure you understand with any business, it takes real work, right? It's not easy, but if you're willing to put in the work, you're willing to do the extra work, and some of the tips that I'm sharing in this video, you can literally scale to whatever levels you want to go to. All right, so what I want to do is I want to talk about 4 tips that you should apply if you really want to dominate affiliate marketing. So the biggest tip, and this is tip number 1 that you should be doing, is owning the customer. The biggest mistake I see most affiliates make is, as I said, they're sending traffic to the offer, they're not collecting the customer's information, and therefore they do not own the customer, the product vendor owns the customer, and what you're doing is you're playing a losing game. So hypothetically speaking, let's say you promote Amazon.com or ClickBank.com, which are 2 of the most popular platforms out there for affiliate marketing. Now, if you're just sending traffic to that offer, regardless if it's paid traffic or free traffic, I got news for you. You do not have a business, you have an income stream. Now, the problem with income streams is that they can dry up any minute. And what happens is you're left with your pants pulled down. And trust me, this is not fun when you have to rebuild your business from scratch every single time. When you send your traffic to Amazon.com, what happens is that customer goes and makes a purchase, you get a commission, and yay, you made some money, right? The problem with this is that you made a one-time commission. And a thriving business doesn't rely on one-time commissions, they rely on multiple commissions. It means the customer actually making multiple purchases in the lifetime of them being with you. This is why Amazon.com will continue to email your customers and sell them a second product, a third product, a fourth product, and they're going to make recommendations to them on other products that they may actually want to buy. And the problem with this is once they go buy those other products, you know, down the line, let's say a week down the line, 2 weeks down the line, maybe even a month down the line, you don't get any of those commissions. You literally get nothing. So this is the reason that most affiliates don't make that much money. They literally continue down this path for years and they never actually figure out that they need to own the customer. Now, the smart way to actually build your affiliate marketing business is to create some kind of freebie like an ebook or a video or maybe even a discount code in order for the customer to give you their email in return. Now, the reason this is a smart way to build your affiliate marketing business is because you can still send that same customer to the product, but the difference is now you actually have the email and you can continue to recommend products to them in the future, which will allow you to make more commissions. This is going to actually be crucially important in the future, especially if you're doing things like Facebook advertising, because costs are going up every single day. Literally, the competition is getting fierce, prices are going up, people are getting banned, and if you're running tons of paid advertising and your whole goal is to basically do affiliate marketing or how most drop shippers run their business, where it's you run a whole lot of traffic and basically hope that you make enough sales in order to cover your advertising costs, you know, you're going to be out of business in the near future by operating this way. Now, the real money is not made on the front end. Most amateur affiliates think that the whole thing is you sell a product and if it works, you just scale the hell out of it and make more money, right? But super affiliates understand that the real money is made on the back end by selling more expensive products to the customer in the future. This is how super affiliates are able to demolish most people because of the fact that they understand, it's not about making the first sell. This is why most of us, any smart marketer out there is making a ton of money, we don't focus on making sales up front. We focus on collecting the email first so we can keep marketing to that potential customer. This is not even taking into consideration that most people do not buy on the first point of contact. What I mean by this is the first time they come across you, most people just don't trust you. They don't buy yet, and it takes several times in order to introduce a product in order somebody to make a purchase. So if you're sending traffic straight to a sales page, you're losing so much money, it's absolutely laughable. So if you're not collecting emails, I would hands down make this a priority right now to learn email marketing. Learn this. I know it's not a sexy topic, but I'm telling you, make 10 times the money and you're going to have customers that you can market to again and again and again and again in the future. Now, the second tip I want to share with you is sales funnels. Right now, a website is absolutely industry standard. I don't understand why anybody doesn't want to build a website. I understand it's kind of hard for some people. Heck, it was hard for me, but you can literally learn it on YouTube in about 30 minutes. Most affiliate platforms won't even approve you without a website. But if you want to take your income to the next level, right? You want to 10x your income. You want to be able to scale like super affiliates. You want to learn sales funnels. This is the key for both affiliate marketing and even physical products and drop shipping. Now, let's clarify what a sales funnel is, because I understand some people like, sales funnel, what the hell is that, right? A sales funnel is simply just the process that you do to walk your customer through the sales process. In the old days, you used to have to sit down, have a one-to-one conversation, but now you literally can walk people through steps online digitally. Now, what a sales funnel will actually allow you to do, the real power of a sales funnel, is once they buy the first product, you can immediately offer them upsell, which is usually a higher tier price product right out of the gate. So instead of them, say, purchasing like a $7 product or maybe a $10 product, you now can offer them, say, a $50 product or a $100 product, and this is going to increase your commissions as an affiliate right out of the gate. Now, personally, for me, if a product that I'm trying to promote doesn't have a sales funnel, or I can't create my own sales funnel around it, I'm not even going to waste my time or my money or my energy to do it, because I'm going to actually be losing money. When you go out there and promote products, it's just a one-time sell, and you can't keep selling, or making more offers to that customer. You're really playing a losing game, as I keep talking about here. Now, I'm not going to do a deep dive in this video about sales funnels. That's literally a series of videos I could talk about if you don't understand what it is. However, if you have not already subscribed, make sure you subscribe now, because I'm going to be covering this in extreme detail on my channel in the future, and you're going to want to make sure that you tune into that. Now, my third tip is creating a brand. And this is something that I don't understand, but nobody wants to do it, right? A brand is something that allows you to not have to compete with everybody else on price. You don't have to compete with, when people are offering better deals. When somebody likes your brand, they just simply buy. Everybody wants to make that laptop lifestyle money, but nobody wants to put in the extra effort to build a real business that allows them to make money month after month, year after year, and a business that just keeps growing with very little effort. Now, let's talk about why a brand is so incredibly important. As an affiliate, you're really a nobody. You're a middleman. All you're doing is connecting the person that has this problem to the product that will solve their problem, and you can be replaced, right? So what happens is, once they go buy the product, they get their problem solved, they're going to forget about you. If you don't have a personal brand, they're going to go back to that original product vendor the next time they think about getting a product that's related to their interest. All this simply means is you put in a little extra effort. That means maybe creating some videos, maybe a podcast or a website or content around a niche that people are passionate about and spending money on. So let's use the example of website hosting, because this is a massively profitable niche, by the way, if you don't have a niche to go into. And let's say that, the difference is what most people do is they just refer people through their affiliate link, and that's it, right? It's a one-time sell. The game changer is creating a brand that people actually go through and they remember before they actually buy through your link. So basically what you'd want to do is create like a website, maybe a YouTube channel, maybe a Facebook page or some kind of social media page. And what you're going to do is create content around blogging or creating a website. And the real thing here is that once somebody actually gets their hosting, they're going to need to know more, right? They're going to need to know the next step, which is like, how do I use the website? Now, by simply putting in the extra effort, creating content, for example, on how to use the website or, different ways that you can use your website, what's going to happen is they're going to become to know, like, and trust you. They're going to start to say, hey, you know what? I kind of like this person. And then what happens is, because of the fact that they trust you and they like you now, you've helped them set up their website, you've helped them understand how to use the website. Now you can start recommending other products. If you collect selected the email, let's say you created a simple course on how to launch, grow, and monetize your blog, right? You could literally now go out there and create, blog posts or videos on how to go get a graphic from Fiverr.com or 99 Design. So there you go, you got affiliate commission. Now you can start recommending premium plugins that you use, stuff like opt-in plugins or plugins that, create advanced functionality on their WordPress blog. There's more commissions. Now the next thing you could do is say, what's the next step? Now you need to figure out how to monetize your blog, right? So now you can go out there and recommend resources or products on how to start making money from your blog and increase your commissions even more. This little extra effort you put in by creating a brand around website hosting, now you have unlimited recommendations that you can recommend to your customers over just getting one-time sale for affiliate, web hosting. Now, if you decide to take this step, right, and create a personal brand, what you're doing is you're putting yourself in the 1%. You're separating yourself from the 99% of people who basically mentally masturbate and dream all day about getting rich. And the difference is you're actually getting rich because you're putting in the work. They're not making very much money because they're trying to do the least amount of work as possible and make the most amount of money. See, it doesn't work this way. If you want to make a lot of money as an affiliate, you got to add massive value to the niche industry that you're in. Now, my fourth tip is videos, and more videos. If you are serious about dominating affiliate marketing, if you're serious about dominating your industry, regardless of what industry you're in, start doing videos right now. Like literally, videos are the easiest way to take somebody from interested in your product to buyer immediately. Videos are not slowing down anytime soon. Like right now, you can go out there and find the stat from Facebook where they predict 80% of Facebook users are going to be digesting video content in the next couple of years. On top of that, literally you can find tons of stats talking about how video is going to absolutely crush written content. And it makes so much sense because video is so much easier to consume. People have less of attention span these days. And at this point in time, literally everyone is consuming video. If you're scared of doing videos, trust me, I get it. Literally, when I first started, I had to chug back a couple vodkas. It took me over 30 days of trying to do videos before I could shoot my first video. And by the time I actually published the video, it was absolutely terrible. Start practicing videos right now. Like literally learning to master the skill of video, learning to convey your points and speak in a way that resonates with your audience is going to be the absolute game changer moving forward. Now, a simple trick you can use is something that I did years ago when I was scared of doing videos. As I said, it took me lots of vodka and anxiety to overcome before I could publish my first video. So what I did is I grabbed my iPhone, I literally got used to shooting myself in the camera and really just looking at myself in the camera for 30 days straight. Now, I didn't upload a single video, I just got used to shooting the video and seeing myself in the camera. If you don't realize the power of video right now, like it's absolutely insane. Like we have the ability to create our own TV show. We don't need to go to a studio. We don't need to go get interviewed or get accepted, into a TV show to create our own. We can create our own Snapchat. We can do Instagram stories. We can do Facebook Lives or Facebook video. We can do YouTube video. We have the ability in our hands to reach millions of people. Literally right now, you have the ability to make millions of dollars. All you have to be doing is being willing to do the work. That's it. It's really that simple. Be willing to do the work. Right now, you can literally look around in several different niches, and it's not just the make money online industry, and you're going to be able to find people that become millionaires in literally 1 to 2 years. Just 1 to 2 years ago, they were broke as a joke, could barely afford to even get an iPhone to shoot a camera. Now they're making millions of dollars literally just recording their life, sharing their tips, and connecting with their audience and their niche. Do not let this opportunity pass you by because you're scared. Like seriously, right now, if you have fear of doing video, trust me, I started there. Do not let this pass you by. Be willing to pick up the phone and shoot videos and just start learning the skill, learning to master this skill. Like right now, people don't even know how to speak to someone in real life. Like if you can develop the skill of communication, if you can be the person that is connecting with people online, like right now, if somebody goes out with their family or their friends, they literally can't stop themselves from getting on Instagram or Facebook or YouTube to check their feed. If you are the person to put your videos in front of that person, it's literally game over. You're gonna get rich quick if you actually put in the work. And by quick, I mean in a relative time frame. Right now we can get rich quick within 1 to 2 years. That is very, very quick compared to years ago when it took 10 or 20 years to be able to make $1 million. All right, that's a wrap. That's all I got for you today. This is, in my opinion, the things that you need to be aware of if you absolutely want to stay at the top of the game of affiliate marketing, if you want to keep growing, if you want to keep making massive profits. Like, these are the things that you need to learn, you need to be focused on mastering and getting better. So with that being said, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that way you get notified every time I publish a video. And with that being said, take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.